Hello everyone. This is my first video. To be honest, I'm very excited and happy. On this channel, we're going to make learning fun and improve our English to higher levels with short videos. I'll narrate stories from my own life and turn them into visuals, occasionally share my own imaginative stories, and do my best to help you learn English without getting bored. In short, this will be our little home. Along with my real-life stories, I'll share intriguing stories I've written myself and educational stories on various topics, so we'll not only learn. Before I forget, if you want to learn a language, you must speak it without fear. Even if you speak incorrectly, still speak without fear or hesitation. One day we will succeed, be sure. English, but also gain informative knowledge. Shall we begin?
Subscribe to my channel so we can embark on our new journey together.